Yeah, hi, good morning. I'll just share, if you don't mind. I posted my first ad last night and promptly got the account got disabled.
Okay, cool.
Screen two,
Let's take a look at it.
share. So it asks for extra information just to, it asks for some ID, which I've submitted this morning. So I sent through my license. Is this something that usually happens? And if so, how long do you think I need to wait for it to be reviewed?
Awesome. So one, this probably happens 30% of the time
Yeah,
on when people start.
yeah,
The second question of how long it would take to review,
yeah.
probably less than a week.
Okay.
Usually, if you're lucky, it'll be in 24 hours.
Mm-hmm.
Um, And then the third thing I wanted to add is I have a gut feeling maybe it's because we set up or you set up two different Claudine accounts and it was on the same computer. And
Yeah.
it's just like, how come this person is creating a new account and then advertising and then maybe it's flagging their system? Uh,
Okay. Yeah.
that's also a gut feeling why this might have been triggered.
Okay. Yeah.